Hi, this is Jane with Green Side Up. I am enjoying a beautiful fall day here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. In fact, it's so nice and warm. Look, no sleeves. Unlike Minnesota, where they've been having snow. Today we're going to talk about mums. Mums are a wonderful fall flower. Just about everywhere in the world they can use mums in the fall. And we're going to talk about 3 different varieties of mums. This is a floral mum. You would get this at a florist shop. A mum like this is beautiful in your house. You give it, as a gift or something. You enjoy the flowers, and you probably are going to throw it away. You can maybe put it in your garden in the summer, but come winter, it will not make it through the winter. It doesn't matter where you live. A mum like this does not have a root system that is viable through cold temperatures, but they are very pretty. The other 2 mums that I'm going to discuss are garden mums. And this is a bigger one. This is called the Belgian mum. You'll notice that they both have pretty flowers, and in many ways they are the same. The Belgian mums seem to have more flowers. For instance, I have read that they can have up to 1,000 different flowers on one plant. One of the nice things about mums is the multiple colors and the multiple flowers that you will get on a single plant. So I'm going to show this one. So look at this. You can see that there's flowers that are already formed. You can see there are several buds that have color. They will be coming out in the next week or so. And then, if you look way down in here, there are tiny, tiny little buds that you can hardly see. Those will eventually turn into flowers. The multiplicity of flowers and the different stages then helps to make a mum plant, so pretty. Not so much with the white and the yellow, but for instance, like a red mum, you'll see these very dark red buds, and then they open up into a lighter red. And you've got all this color going on in that same plant. And they're fascinating, they're fun, they're beautiful to look at. You can plant mums in full sun. However, down here where it's so hot in the summertime, they do prefer part shade during the summer. You can plant your mums obviously now. Make sure that they stay watered. Again, you walk a fine line. You don't want them too wet. You don't want them to dry out. Throughout the winter, they will go dormant. You'll just cut them back. And in the spring, they'll come back green. Actually, my mums up in Minnesota used to come back pretty early in the spring. And I've had mums that have bloomed literally up there from May all the way through until November, when it got so cold that nothing was blooming. We here at Green Side Up have lots of different colors of mums. We also have other types of plants if you're interested. Stop on in. We'll be glad to show you what we've got. We're glad to tell you anything you need to know about mums and their care. Answer any other of your gardening questions. This is Jane, enjoying this beautiful fall day.